Hi, Sousa here, coming to you from my home office in Louisville, Kentucky. Today I'm going to show you how to remove objects, text, people, or other things that are in the backgrounds of your photos. The website that we're going to use is called cleanup.pictures. And you can click here or just drag an image. I'm going to choose one. I'll show you a couple. So this picture here was taken obviously at Disney, and this is of myself and my daughter, and I'm going to, for an example, show you how to get rid of these people that are in the background. So I'm just going to click on the eraser, and I'm going to go over here and just use the mouse. I let go of the mouse and it took them out. And there's someone over here. I could do the same thing over here. So you just, like you're painting with the mouse, when you let go of the mouse, they disappear. And this site is completely free to use unless you want to do a high resolution. But for like a normal photo, they don't charge you anything. And then you can download it from here, and it just downloaded it into my downloads folder. So I'll show you an example with another picture. So this one here is of the castle, and I'm going to see if I can get rid of these people here in the foreground. So I'm going to click on the eraser and go over here. Start erasing people. There you go. And there's some people over here that I don't know. It totally works. So these people that I don't know in the foreground are gone, and I just have left the picture of the castle. That's awesome. And then again, I can download it for free. So there you have it. So there you go, a free way to clean up your pictures and remove unwanted people, objects, or text that are in the backgrounds of your photos. And it's totally free to use. So be sure and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, because I have a lot more videos with tips and training that I'm going to be uploading. So make it a great day.